We have AB, ab, phonics exercise, and I'm going to put a D in front of ab, and what do we have? Dab. I'm going to replace the D with a G, and what do we have? Gab. I'm going to replace the G with a J, and what do we have? Jab. I'm going to replace the J with an L, and what do we have? Lab. I'm going to replace the L with a T, and what do we get? Tab. I'm going to replace the T with the CR, and what do we get? Crab. I'm going to replace the CR with the BL, and what do we get? Blab. I'm going to replace the B with an F, and what do we get? Flab. I'm going to replace the FL with the GR, and what do we get? Grab. And I'm going to replace the GR with an SC. What do we get? Scab.